Good morning, children. Today, let us learn about the next topic is breathing in other animals. In previous classes, all are you are observing in human beings only. Yes or no? You are taking the food. That food that is equal to the glucose only. Yes or no? You are given to your body. Yes or no? Food given that is taking the food means given to glucose only in your body. Yes or no? So that glucose is react with the oxygen. After is formed the that is energy and you are releasing the carbon dioxide. Yes or no? That is that is a glucose plus that is a glucose C6H12O6. So this react with the oxygen. So here given to the energy, that is gain to the energy in your body, and here releasing the releasing the carbon dioxide and water. That is here releasing to the carbon dioxide. You are carrying the that is reaction. You are constantly water also. Okay, ma. So here see, ma. That is how many carbons are there. That is a 6. So here write the 6. How many hydrogens are present? 12. But here given to the 2 only. So you are carrying to the hydrogens also. Okay. So how many oxygens? Here 6, here 2. But here 6 2s are 12 and again here 6. So 12 and 6, that is the 18. 18 is there. So that's why here how many is considered? That is a 6. So that is a 6 oxygens and 12 oxygens. So 12 and 6, 18. You are carrying one. Okay. So this is a main that is equations of the cellular respirations in your body. Okay. So you are taking the food. That is a food means that is a glucose only. Okay. That react with the oxygen. So after you are gain to the energy and releasing the carbon dioxide, you are carrying the equation is considered the water. Okay. So that is a cellular respiration of the equation. Now we are discussing the breathing in other animals. So here in your lesson you are given to the some fish, frog and cockroach and earthworm. Okay, so in your lesson in this chapter you are given to the only 4, but you are observing in your surrounding any animals are observed in your surrounding, and plants also here given to you in your lesson. Okay, first of all we are discussing in a fish, that is a breathing condition. You are observing in a fish only. Okay. So here consider here find out the breathing in a fish now. So you are observing the fishes in your aquarium. So aquarium you are observing in aquarium, that is fish's mouth every time your mouth open and close, open and close. Yes or no? So many you are every time you are observing that condition. Yes or no? That fish's mouth is open and closed, open and closed. That is water taking. That is taking your that mouth only. Okay, and same times you are observing the sides of the fish. So that sides of the that is the flaps. Flaps are open and closed. Open and closed are observed also. Yes or no? That fishes that is a flap besides of the fish nana, that is a white color and that is flaps are present only. Okay, that flaps are open and closed, open and closed. That flaps beside that is another. How does that is imaged? If the rock of below the flaps, that is the rock of the below, you are observing the flaps. You are a red color form, that is a red color gills. Red color gills are present only. Okay, that you will see red color gills. Okay, that flaps means doppalo antaru kada nana. Okay, white color ga untayi. That is just opening that flaps. Inside you are observing in a red color gills are present only. Okay, yes or no? That is Here see, in your lesson you are observing that one. So here observing the red colors only. Yes or no? That is the gills. Okay, so that is covering to the one flaps is present only. That is a white color closer to the one white color strong materials is present only. That material is considered the flaps only. Okay, so that fish is taking the water. So in water, water means that is a H2O only, na? Yes or no? Here present in the oxygen also. Yes or no? O means that is the oxygen. Yes or no? No. So in water also having in the oxygen, present in a oxygen. So that automatically that is the water that enter the mouth flows through the both gills as comes out of the flaps. Okay, so that is the water is that enter the mouth. Okay, so in fish mouth only, nana, the enter the mouth. So automatically that water is transferred to in a remaining parts, that is the gills only. Okay, that is travel to the gills. After that water is again coming out of side. Where is the that is the flaps only. Okay, so you are releasing the flaps. That water, remaining water is releasing the flaps only. Okay, so that time you are that is the oxygen you are formed to that is transferred to the remaining parts of the fishes. Okay, that is remaining organisms. That is remaining that oxygen is carried in the different parts of the bodies. Okay, different part of the bodies. So remaining parts of the you are traveling to the that is the oxygens only. Okay, you are understood, Dana? So here you are observing the fishes in your aquarium, that is aquarium. Fishes continuously open and close their mouth in water. Yes or no? Their mouth in water. Automatically that mouth is open and closed. Okay, so that when does the slabs on both sides of the head alternatively open and closed? That means you are taking the mouth, that is water taking the mouth and releasing the remaining, that is releasing the remaining water is in a flaps only. Okay, that's why only every time you open and close the flaps. Okay, understood, ma'am? So here, so that is the flaps you are covering to the gills. Okay, that gills you are carrying, that is the mainly respiratory organs. Okay, organs of the fish. Mainly here gills. Gills is the respiration organism, main part of the inner fish only. Okay, so that water is enter the mouth, flows through the both gills as it's come out and of the flaps. Okay, the gills absorbing the oxygen. The gills absorbing the oxygen that is dissolved in water, and this oxygen is carried out the remaining parts of the body. You are understood, ma'am? The gills is carrying the oxygen in water. Okay, so automatically that oxygen is transferred to the remaining parts. Okay, you are understood, Nana? So in a fish condition you are observing in a gills. Okay, that is a respiration rate. That is a respiration organism main role in a fish. Main role which one, ma? Gills. Okay. Next one is frog. Frog. Okay. So frog also having in a, that is in a lady frog. That is a baby frogs is considered the gills also. Okay, because that baby frogs is every time you are observing in water only. So that's why only you are equal to the fish condition of the gills. Okay, that is the main role of the fish condition of the gills only. Okay, here given ma that is the stays in the land. The frogs mainly the stay on the land, in water, and even under the ground. Yes or no? In 6th class already discussing this chapter. Yes or no? That is a frog is staying in on the land, on the that is under the ground, and next in water. Yes or no? That is every time you are observing that conditions. Okay. the breathing of the land, it has lungs. For suppose here that is a frog is present on the land, so that time you are using the lungs. Okay, that is a respiration organism here considered the lungs. For suppose here the under the ground, for suppose the frogs are present in under the ground, that time you are every year you are sleeping in a 2 times in the under the ground. So that time your frog, that is a skin is present in that is a breathing of the respiration organism, that is a moisture skin is taken over the function of the lungs. Okay, so this moisture skin is equal to the lungs that time. Okay, that frog is present in under the ground, that time that skin is equal to the lungs. Okay, so that is in the body, frogs are that is a land poles, that is a baby frogs or land poles, that is or a special organism like that of fishes called gills. Okay, so these gills help them in breathing in water by taking in the air dissolved in water. So baby frogs are, one more name is tadpoles. Okay, tadpoles also you are present in every time you are present in water content only. That's why only in here respiration organism you are present in gills. Okay, and after is formed to the frog, so automatically that is you are considered the, that is the skin and that is the lungs only. Okay, so that is the main role of the breathing condition, that is the respiration of the organisms in a frog. Okay, so that is a tadpoles, that is a tadpoles of the frog live only in water, but the frog live either on the land or in water, on the land or in water. So land or water also. Okay, sometimes you may see frogs under the soil also. Yes or no? So under the ground. So that yearly 2 times are sleeping in under the ground. That times you are using the skin. Skin is present in organisms of the, that is a breathing condition, that is breathing of the lungs. Okay, equal to the respiration organisms. Okay, and next in land you are considered the, that is gills equal to the fish condition of the gills. Okay, you are understood, Nana? First one is the fish. So fish you are taking the water, that water is transferred to the gills. That gills means that is absorb the oxygen, and next remaining the water is releasing in flaps. Okay, so that's why that process is considered in main role of in respiration organism in fish. Which one? Gills. And next thing is frog. In a frog also you are considered the main roles in on the land is considered the lungs, under the ground is considered the skin, and the next one is in the water is considered the equal to the fishes of the gills. Okay, so you are understood, Nana? So that is a baby frogs or land poles also you are considered every time you are observing in present in water only. Okay, so that's why only that is main role of the gills, that is the fishes main roles like that fishes only. Okay, main roles gills. So main special organism is considered the gills, special organism. That time, that case you are considered the special organisms present in a baby frogs or lad taps only, that is a tadpoles. Okay, that is a tadpoles. Tadpoles is present in a gills. Okay, you are understood, Nana? Next discussing the next topic is, that is one about the next topic is cockroach in the breathing. Okay, so breathing in the cockroach. Okay, here see, Nana, that is a cockroach has a small opening on the sides of the body. Okay, so there is a small holes are present on it. So here, so that is the small holes are present on it. So that type of holes is considered the spiracles. Okay, so that spiracles is that is the opening on the sides of the body. So other insects have the similar opening, and the that is the undersides of the cockroaches. That is in each segments there are small holes which are connected through the respiratory tube in a network. Okay, so that is a respiration tube in a network. So that that test tube is considered that is breathing of that is respiration tube in a network. So that network is considered the trachea. Okay, trachea, that is here, sema. So that is the test tubes are present only that. Okay, na. So that's all are connected in one test tube. That is equal to the network only. Okay, network means that is traveling to the, that is the oxygen is transferred to the remaining parts. That is the remaining organism of the body. Yes or no? So here small that is the small holes are having in the sides of the object. That is the size of the body. Yes or no? That holes is considered the spiracles only. Okay. Next you are considered here that is a whole network is present only. That is network. Network means that is network of the respiratory tube is called the trachea. So that network of the tubes, that is the tubes are present only. That is connected to the all cockroaches cells. That is considered the tube is considered the tracheal tubes only. Okay, that tubes are considered, that network of the tube is considered the transverse tube. Okay, so that air is from these spiracle circulator in through out. The body collected in back and send it out of the through these spiracle. So you are taking the air. So the type of the spiracles here see. So that holes is present only. Okay, size of the small holes are present. That holes is considered the spiracles. So you are getting, that is getting the air. That is you are taking the oxygen and that is the transfer to the remaining parts. That is that is transfer to the here. Network of the tube is considered the trachea. This trachea is connected to the remaining all our parts. Okay, that oxygen transfer to the that is a trachea tube. So that trachea tube is connected to the remaining all our parts. So that is a that is one of the here breathing condition main role. So that is a spiracles only. And one more thing is tracheal tube. That is a tracheal tube only. Okay, that tracheal tube is transferred to the remaining parts. That is the oxygen travel to the you are carrying, that is carrying that is the agent, one of the agent. Okay, that carrying the oxygen remaining parts, remaining organisms. Okay, and again that air is coming outside. Where is absorbed? That is the spiracles only. Gain and releasing. So both of you observing in a spiracle holes only. Okay, that is taking the air and releasing the air. So both of you where is observed? That is the spiracles only. Okay, so that is you are taking the air and the oxygen is traveling to the remaining parts. That is carrying to the tracheal tube, and again that air is coming to outside. That is where is observed? That is a spiracles holes only. Okay, you are understood, ma? So main roles here observing the that is organism, that is a spiracles and tracheal tubes only. Okay, this mainly here respiration organisms are considered in cockroaches, that is the spiracles and tracheal tubes only. Okay, so here then to know more about this process, you may observe in live cockroaches by keeping in covered by a transparent bottle or glass. See the movement that occur in the body. What do you observe? So write your observation in the 5 lines. So what you observe? That is just here. You are taking the one cockroach. You are keeping the one bottle. That is a transparent bottle. So that is after observing that movement. Okay, cockroach movement is observed, and you are identified with what you are identified with the that is any points you are writing in the notebook. Okay.